Where's your ball, Homer? Where's your ball?
Did you know that
Where's your ball?
orange peel is an oil that can kill termites? The Jeff Hyatt
Is that your ball?
orange peel oil wicks
Where is it?
killing termites on contact. Our team of licensed inspectors and technicians are professional.
Sit. Homer, sit. Sit. Where's your ball? Ball? Ball. Where is it? Is it down there, Homer? Oh. Homer. Homer. Oh, good boy. Homer, where's your ball ball? Ball ball? Ball ball. Homer. Homer dog. Homer dog. Homer dog is Homer. Homer ball. Ball. Where's your ball? Where? Ball ball? Look at your tongue, Homer. What do you want me to do, Homer? Ball. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy.